Kukholakala ukuthi labafundi bobabili bagwaze ngenxa yengxabano yamaqembu yemigulugudu ezikoleni ezahlukahlukene. Okhulumela umnyango wezemfundo eGauteng uSteve Mabona uye waphawula ngemuva kwalesi sehlo ngesonto eledlule.
Learners were fighting, but also the allegations of gangsterism in this area among learners from different schools. So to a certain extent that the perpetrator does not even school here at this school. So it's quite sad what happened here, and we just want to call upon the parents to work with us. Let's talk to our children. They need to understand on what stand between them and their future if they are ill-disciplined.
Omunye wabazali naye uphawulile.
It's children from the tech, ne? They fighting here, ne? They came with knives, ne? Then they stabbed those children here, by us. And they don't fight, they just jump out of the bus.
Amaphoyisa ayaqhubeka nokuphenya leli cala.